put your eye pro on when you come back?
Yeah, no.
Just in case.
You just described nomad spawns.
Alright, so, like I said, this is our staging area. We're going to start, I'll start the games. I'll tell you when the field's hot. You put your eye pro on and keep it on the entire time until I say field's cold. Okay? When I call the game over, come back to this area. Keep your eye pro on. Dump your gun, make it inoperable. Alright, pull the mag, shoot from the ground. That way nobody can get shot. We'll go cold from there, we'll reload, screw around for a little bit, and we'll play another game. Flip side.
Good to go. Do not get ran up on right. If we lose right, we're gonna get pregnant. I'm running that way, so. Yeah, it does. Oh, there, got him. Good call out, Bruce. Thank you. Yeah, it does. Hey, Honda's is right. That's a hit. How did him feet? Hey, there we go. Shot the guy in dark green. There it is. He called it. Pretty good, pretty good. I've gotten 2 almost instantly. Thank you. Two. Keep their head down. Keep the enemy's head down. Hit! Hit!
I'm gonna shoot whoever's calling cadence right now, I swear to God!
It's the guy with the minigun. There we go. There's a hit.
You get him?
Yep.